Welcome. This is Richard Clarke, and I'm going to talk to you about the lineup of Ramana Maharshi and non-duality series that are found on this channel. The goal of the Richard Clarke Advaita YouTube channel is to present the teachings of Ramana Maharshi and Advaita Vedanta in a way that serves viewers at every stage of their spiritual journey. Some people discover the channel with no previous experience to non-duality. Others have practiced meditation and self-inquiry for years and are looking for deeper guidance. Still, others are longtime students of Ramana Maharshi who appreciate careful study of his teachings and opportunities for self-inquiry. For that reason, the channel is organized into several ongoing series. Each series has a specific audience, purpose, and teaching style. Together, they provide a complete pathway, beginning with short introductory videos and gradually moving towards more advanced exploration of self-knowledge and living from the recognition of the self. Ramana Maharshi shorts. These are posted most days. These short videos introduce viewers to the heart of Ramana Maharshi's teachings in a format that can be watched in about a minute. Most are created from clips from longer videos, like the ongoing Talks with Sri Ramana Maharshi series. The purpose of Ramana Maharshi's shorts is to make the essential teachings immediately accessible. Each short concentrates on one clear idea, question, quotation, or practical insight, inviting viewers into deeper study. What is Non-Duality is posted on Sunday. This weekly series serves as the primary entry point for newcomers. It is designed for beginners, spiritually curious viewers, meditators from other tradition, and anyone wondering what non-duality actually means. The emphasis is on clarity, everyday language, and direct observation rather than belief. Living Non-Duality will be a Tuesday series. Beginning July 7th, Living Non-Duality is the latest advanced series. It explores what happens after intellectual understanding matures into lived experience, examining relationships, work, aging, emotion, service, and ordinary life from the recognition of the self. On Wednesday, there is simplicity of being. This is for experienced practitioners. This series explores the subtle depth of Ramana Maharshi's teachings. It emphasizes effortless awareness, silence, stillness, and recognizing that the self has always been present. On Thursday is posted the Ramana Maharshi Satsang. This weekly satsang offers readings from classic Advaita texts, detailed commentary, guided self-inquiry, meditation, discussion, and questions from participants, encouraging direct investigation rather than intellectual study alone. Ramana Maharshi in a few minutes will be posted Friday. Beginning July 10th, each episode presents one carefully chosen quote from Ramana Maharshi, followed by a concise explanation and a practical takeaway suitable for viewers at every level. Growing to yourself is uploaded on Saturday. This series helps viewers apply non-dual understanding to emotions, relationships, mindfulness, and daily living, while developing a mature and consistent spiritual practice. Together, these series form a complete learning path, guiding viewers from first exposure to non-duality towards deep study, direct self-inquiry, and living from the recognition of the self. If you are interested in Ramana Maharshi on non-duality, there is a series that is probably right for you.